Choosing between U-Pack and PODS is more than picking a container. It's about aligning with your needs, budget, and timeline. Let's explore this journey together. Both U-Pack and PODS offer portable moving containers. You pack them and they handle the transport. But the differences in service and flexibility can significantly impact your move. PODS provides multiple container sizes and on-site storage options. This flexibility is ideal if your new home isn't ready or you need temporary storage. Access your belongings whenever you need. U-Pack offers relocubes or trailer space, charging only for the space you use. This can be cost-efficient, especially for long-distance moves, but storage is typically off-site. PODS allows you to keep containers on your driveway or at their facility, offering flexibility. U-Pack's storage is facility-based, which might limit immediate access but can be more economical. U-Pack is often more economical for long-distance moves, with pricing based on distance and space used. Being organized can help control costs effectively. PODS charges based on container size, transport, and storage duration. This flexibility can increase costs, but may be worth it for timing adjustments. In urban areas, parking space is crucial. Smaller PODS containers fit tight spaces better, while U-Pack's larger trailers may pose challenges. Insurance clarity is vital. Neither company covers damage from poor packing. Consider additional coverage or rely on your existing insurance to avoid surprises. Align the service with your timeline, space, and budget. Structure and forethought reduce stress and uncertainty, giving you the best start in your new home. By choosing wisely, you create stability in your next chapter. Remember, moving is about more than containers. It's about confidently stepping into your future. Want expert moving tips and free quotes to help you plan your move the right way? Connect with trusted movers and make your next move simpler and more affordable.